So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to view who can send you friend request on Facebook. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the Facebook app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now see, this is the home page of your Facebook account, and you should have to tap on three line which is available on the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on setting icon which is also available on the top right corner of your screen. Now scroll down below and tap on how people can find and contact you. Now simply you can see who can send you friend request, so tap on it. So from here you can change from everyone to friends of friends and tap on save which is available on the lower bottom of your screen. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.